Novuskin's Biolong device is used during our in-office treatments and is also included when you sign up to become a VIP member. Consistently using your Biolong device at home has many benefits, such as nourishment for the skin, effective cleansing for the skin. It helps in toning facial muscles and reduces wrinkles, as well as restoring sun-damaged skin. How the Biolong works. Your Biolong device has two sides. The first side uses positive and negative galvanic. This is the metal side of the device. The positive galvanic helps with cleansing, and the negative galvanic helps penetrate product up to 60% deeper. It works to attract and break down negatively charged toxins and other types of skin impurities. These toxins usually block glands, and by simply removing them, the skin is cleansed and nourished in the process. The Biolong also uses sonic technology, which helps lift up the muscles and tighten the skin. The red and blue LED light is on the other side of the Biolong. The red light is the anti-aging light, and it's going to help with circulation. It's going to improve skin cell activity, pigmentation, collagen stimulation, blood stimulation. It rejuvenates the skin, wrinkles, shrinks pore size, and helps heal wounds. The blue light is an antibacterial, and it's going to help control your acne. It's going to reduce pimples, blemishes, inflammation and scars. It improves oil control, sensitive skin, skin rashes, and helps to heal the skin. First, pre-cleanse your face with our Sea Treasure Rose Water to remove your makeup. Then cleanse with our Purifying and Balancing Facial Cleanser. Now remember, your face must be wet while using this device. Once your face is ready to go, press the start button and set the device to positive ions. To test that the device is working, you can put some water on the galvanic side, and it should immediately bubble and mist up. While you are using the device, make sure your finger is always touching the electrode, which is the metal line along the handle. It creates a bioelectrical field, and that's how it will start working. For the lower section of your face, use a circular motion to form a line, and then make a sweeping motion back to the starting point as you ladder up your face. Once you're close to your eye muscles, you're going to go in the opposite direction. Do the circular motion downwards and then sweep it back up. Now for your forehead, lift up in a straight line while your finger holds your skin tight. To see your results happening, we recommend doing one side of your face and then the other half. Press start, then press the negative ion and the sonic buttons. Both need to be selected. Next, choose your level. This all depends on how intense you like it. Now just repeat the previous motions for your entire face. You have 3 settings to choose from: the red light, blue light, and a combination of both. Choosing your settings depends on what type of skin you have. If you want to focus on anti-aging, use the red light. If you have acne breakouts, use the blue light. And if you have combination skin, use both. The device has to touch your skin to work, and repeat the same motions that we discussed earlier. The device beeps every 5 seconds. This is its way of telling you to move on to a new section. When the device is near your eyes, you can close them. We recommend only using the red light around the eyes to stimulate circulation. This will help with puffiness and dark circles. You can use your device during the day or at night. We recommend using it 1 to 3 times a week. If you use it during the day, we recommend using our collagen eye serum and the intensive day cream. If you use it at night, the neck serum, eye cream, and night cream are all great to use. Our Biolong is suitable for all skin types and skin conditions. It is great for deep detoxifying and skin rejuvenation. You're going to see immediate results. Yes, the skin will be transformed, glowing, rejuvenated, and soft to the touch. There are no side effects because this is a non-invasive treatment. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about your at-home Biolong device, please reach out to us. From all of us here at Novuskin, we thank you for being a VIP member.